Okay, like this. Then I need to fiddle around with the excess aluminium. Ooh. Oh. I got my incredible nice transfer tape. Then we walk. Let me see, I did it like this before. I don't see a shit. Fuck! So these magnets are not aligned perfectly. Not a big deal for my test. So what am I testing? Well, I want to know if the rubber magnets can be loud enough if I tweak it a little bit compared to the base magnets, so I don't actually need neodymium for a panel like this. Before I had troubles that the tweeter was too low output for a full range. Maybe for a mid-range it might work if I do some tweaking on, let's say, the outer magnets on the outer traces using wide magnets, because they're not in the way anymore. I could use that. It should give me like 2 dB gain, some sort of. Also, this is the thinnest self-adhesive tape I have, which I did not have back in the day. So that's also the reason why I try this. So So this is 15 micron aluminium adhesive tape. I could only find one roll, and it's not wide, as you could see. It would be nice if I had a huge roll of that, but I'm sure it's made. But the supplier of this tape didn't want to send me the link of the supplier or ask if they could make it. They don't really care. You're like, yeah, well, no, too much work. So it is made, but I just don't know who makes it. Typical if you DIY. I don't know which one was plus or minus, I don't really mind. We need multiple pieces of tape. Now there's a part here that does not have coil. This is gonna be, it's not gonna look nice, so I'll add a tape for a weight. So, done, and I'll add it to the other panel I already did. See what it does.
I don't need a parachute, baby.
So I'm rather pleased with them. I need to investigate some more, I guess. I mean, really, cost-wise, these are insane, at least for me. But well, I sold a few rolls of my rubber magnet, and you can make something with like this, a mid-range tweeter. You need 2 woofers with it that are very inefficient or go active, and you got a slim version of the bigger panels. Not sure how nice that works out, but yeah, so far pleased. Hope you liked it. I used a different method of adding the foil because I didn't want to remove the existing foil. I need to in the end. I mean, it uses wires, and I would replace it with coil. But since the aluminium foil for the tweeter is different from the mid-range, one of the two I would do as I did right now, like add it later. And I guess the tweeter is easier to do than the mid-range. And I don't hate wires. Wires are cool. They perform. This is a very sloppy, crappy panel, but it's funny if you look at the movement, which you cannot see, but I myself can see, it's hardly doing anything, which is weird. They're crossed at 100, maybe a little bit too low, I don't know. I think they should be able to play down to 100, or maybe lower, but cross it at least at 100 or 150. And you have quite some headroom, I guess. Well, see you around. The meantime, I'm trying to get the neodymium kind of rubber magnet for a lower price, which is almost impossible because they're just mailing around gazillion times, and then at the end they cannot deliver what they said they could. Yeah. I'll talk to you soon. And hopefully I'll do a DIY meeting soon as well. Would be cool. I need some drive to build something cool. Or at least something I want to build. Or at least build something. See ya!